Hello, my name is Jamal Moubarak, and this is my reflection video for Project 1 for MDF2 1403. Okay, I'm going to start off here by just going over everything. Here's my UI diagram, and it shows you, I got my little icon with my little tweet bird. Then it goes to a launch image. Got the tweet bird, it says tweet it. And then it goes from there, and it goes into your loading tweets. Gives you the alert view with the spinning indicator. As soon as it loads up, which I set that, I'll show you the code how I set that up. I set it up to when the very last row of the table, as soon as that goes, this disappears, that stops animating and it gets hidden. Then it goes into here. Here are all of my tweets right here. You could go ahead and go to the profile, hit profile, and it goes over to the profile right here. Hit back, comes back, pick one of the tweets, it goes over, and it views the tweet, the full tweet. Here you can see ... won't fit. You could see I reformatted my date and time too, just so it's a 12-hour format, shows AM, gets rid of all the other Eastern, blah, 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 all that stuff. And then I have my, my name. I kind of set this up almost how Twitter has it, so I thought it looked cool. So then you go over here, and it just blows up your tweet. And then with all the information we needed, same with the formatted, go back to there. You could go ahead and hit refresh. You can see that it's loading. The indicator is right there while it's reloading those tweets. And then here you could compose, and you can see posted from Jamal's Twitter app automatically show up. You could either hit post, set your location, cancel, go back. And that's pretty much about it for my UI diagram, and now we could actually see it work. So here I have my simulator. Here I have my actual iPhone 4S running it. I could on my AirPlay. So we could go here. You could see it. You have the little tweet bird. Hit it right here, goes to my tweets. You can see, pick one out, 4 tickets, date, everything. We could go back, hit my profile, pops up. There's all the information that we needed on it. Go back, hit our compose. You can see that already has that in there. If we wanted to, we could hit location. Okay, sounds great. And then right now I'm just going to go ahead and cancel out. So that's pretty much the app there. Here you can see Tweetbird, click it, launch image, tweet it, and then you can see loading tweets with the indicator. And this, for some reason, this takes a while. This is one of the things that I think I could have done better. I wish that I would have researched how to make this display the tweets a lot quicker, because it moves so slow. It literally takes forever. I don't know what's going on. I don't know if it's on the API side. I don't know if it's on my side, but I mean, I went through this. I spent hours trying to figure out why this isn't working. See, there, finally popped up. You saw that disappeared. It goes by the last row, like I said before. You could go here, profile, have the profile. Here, compose, same thing. Location, it asked if it could use my current location. Here we are, downtown, because it is the simulator. Go ahead and hit cancel. Open up one of my tweets. You can see everything's working there. And I will show you this real quick. The refresh, you can see loading tweets. You can see the indicator spinning right there, and it does the same thing. As soon as it is finished loading, it disappears, and there we go. So that's my app. Here we have our storyboard. Take a quick look at the code of my Twitter project. We'll try and keep short because I think I've already made this video kind of long. So here I'm just declaring all my variables. Go into here, we're gonna this is where we go into the account store to pull the account of the device, and then here's my alert view, indicator, and then I'm gonna I add this to my view, start animating. There's the alert right there, and then I have I hide when stopped. And then right here, this is where I'm going to pull my account, go through here. Here's that. I did have it to where I had my screen name in here, and then I ended up removing that, so it'll just pull it from the device. Right here, oh, I had my NS log commented out, but I was testing a couple more things. I'm reloading my table. This is my else right here if we did not grant access. Here's my table view. This is what I did here. What I did is I made it to where my my indicator and my alert view stayed, because if I took both of these and I put them here where I had them, it would disappear instantly because the information was there, but it wasn't populated in the table yet. So what I ended up doing is I did a little research, and will display cell right here, and then I'm going to my the last object in my table view, and so as soon as this right here hits the last object, then I get my stop animating and then dismiss right here. So I thought that was kind of cool, and it kept it up on the screen until my table was actually there so you could see it. So reload data, go through. This is my count, how many tweets, which I set to 20 right up here. And then come down to here, my tweet dictionary. What I ended up doing is in my cell, I declared everything because I just thought that it kind of got to be a mess. So I declared everything that I needed for all my views right up here, turned them into a string, and then I just used like name string here, name string here, name string here. It just cleaned it all up. I had a lot more code to make it do what it needed to do before I did this, and I just needed to get rid of a lot of it, so I just went ahead and did it that way. So I went through here for my date. This is where I formatted it, so pretty much I brought the format that Twitter gives us right there, and then I reformatted it right here to where I actually gave the day of the week, month, day, year, and then I have hour and 12 hour, and then AM, PM. So, and then I take my date string, and that's where I input it in right there. Refresh the cell with the data, and then right here, this is did select row. When I select one of the items in the table, I am using my segue right here. Detail, which I'll get into that down there. This is my refresh button, load Twitter. That's going to be that function right there. This is my on post, so this is just really basic. This is where I set my posted from Jamal's Twitter app. And here is my on profile, which is right down here, and that is where I did my perform to segue right there, and this is where I actually send the information through my segue right here. So for my detail view, which is your post, I have my post, my icon, my full name, username, and my date, and you can see these are all the strings that I did except for obviously the image. And then for my profile, which I second because it's second view controller, you can see second view controller detail. I have my picture, full name, username, detail, followed, and following. And then this right here is my unwind button. Just to go back. Go into my detail view here, and this is where I just set all my labels with what needs to go, with the information that needs to go into them. And then this is my profile, pretty much did the same thing. Oh, here's where I set up my custom cell, and I put or filled them with information, so right in there. So pretty much that's everything. This week was pretty simple. One thing, like I said, I could do better. It is bothering me so bad that how long it takes for these tweets to show up, and I definitely want to see if I could work on that, because obviously there's a way around it, because I have the Twitter app, and I have used other apps that have Twitter feeds on them, and I have never seen it take that long for the tweets to display. So I want to look at, or work on that, because I like this app, and I might want to submit it soon. So I could just start getting some stuff in the store. So all right, thank you. See you next week, and good luck.